Are you looking for a keyboard that combines style, durability, and performance? The EPOMAKER P75 wireless aluminum mechanical keyboard might just be the perfect fit for you. With its premium design, customizable features, and versatile connectivity options, this keyboard is designed to elevate your typing experience. Stay tuned as we explore its unique features and see why it could be your next favorite accessory. Don't forget, if you're already convinced, the link to grab yours on Amazon is right in the description below. Let's jump right in. The EPOMAKER P75 stands out with its minimalist yet robust design. Crafted entirely from CNC-machined aluminum, the keyboard exudes a premium feel with an anodized finish that not only adds to its durability but also ensures resistance to corrosion. The aesthetic is clean and understated, with no visible logos on the front or sides, maintaining a sleek appearance. The only branding is a subtle engraving on the back, visible only when the keyboard is lifted, making it a perfect choice for those who appreciate a minimalist desk setup. This keyboard features a compact 75% layout, which retains all the essential keys while saving valuable desk space. The inclusion of a metal knob in the top right corner adds an extra layer of functionality, allowing for easy media control with a satisfying tactile feel. One of the key highlights of the P75 is its gasket-mounted structure, which enhances the typing experience by providing a softer, more cushioned feel. This design not only reduces typing noise, but also mitigates finger fatigue, making it comfortable for extended use. The keyboard also incorporates multiple layers of sound-dampening materials, which contribute to a quieter and more refined auditory experience, further enhancing its overall build quality. The P75's thoughtful design choices, from the high-quality materials to the ergonomic features, make it a compelling option for both typing enthusiasts and those looking for a durable, stylish keyboard that delivers on performance and aesthetics. The EPOMAKER P75 is designed for customization enthusiasts, offering a hot-swappable PCB that allows for easy switch changes without the need for soldering. This flexibility means you can personalize your typing experience by choosing between different types of switches, whether you prefer the smoothness of linear switches, the tactile feedback of tactile switches, or the audible click of clicky switches. The keyboard supports both 3-pin and 5-pin switches, broadening the range of compatible options for users looking to fine-tune their keyboard feel and performance. Beyond its hardware flexibility, the P75 also excels in lighting customization. With per-key RGB backlighting, users can personalize the lighting to match their aesthetic preferences. The accompanying software provides a suite of customizable effects, including dynamic modes such as wave, breathing, and reactive effects. This allows users to create a visually engaging setup that complements their personal style. Additionally, the software enables adjustments in brightness, speed, and specific lighting profiles, giving you complete control over your keyboard's appearance. The keyboard's versatility extends to its connectivity options. It supports wired USB-C connections as well as wireless modes via 2.4 GHz and Bluetooth 5.0, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of devices. The P75 also boasts a 4,000 mAh battery, which provides ample power for extended use even with RGB lighting enabled. This makes it an excellent choice for users who need a reliable keyboard for both work and play. The EPOMAKER P75 offers versatile connectivity options, making it suitable for various setups and use cases. It supports tri-mode connectivity, allowing you to choose between a wired USB-C connection, 2.4 GHz wireless, or Bluetooth 5.0. This flexibility ensures compatibility across a range of devices, from PCs to tablets and gaming consoles. The wireless connections, both 2.4 GHz and Bluetooth, provide stable and responsive performance with minimal input lag, making them well-suited for both productivity tasks and light gaming sessions. The keyboard's robust 4,000 mAh battery further enhances its performance by offering extended usage times. Depending on the intensity and frequency of RGB lighting usage, the P75 can last several weeks on a single charge. This longevity is particularly beneficial for users who prefer wireless setups, as it minimizes the need for frequent recharging, allowing for a more seamless and uninterrupted experience. performance. In terms of overall performance, the P75 maintains reliable connectivity across all modes, and the low input lag ensures a responsive typing experience, even in wireless modes. The keyboard also supports a polling rate of up to 1000 Hz when wired, and 125 Hz in wireless modes, ensuring smooth performance across different applications. If you're interested in the EPOMAKER P75 wireless aluminum mechanical keyboard, you can check it out on Amazon through the link in the description below. This keyboard offers a great mix of customization, performance, and connectivity that could suit various needs, whether you're a gamer or just need a solid typing experience. Now, let's dive into our next review, where we take a closer look at the Logitech K400 Plus, a versatile wireless keyboard that's perfect for media setups and more. Click on the next video to find out if it could be the right choice for you.